I can't tell you how exciting it is for me to be here today with this first edition of The Moonstone.
It's obviously been well loved and consulted regularly. The first thing you notice is that the front board is completely detached.
You see, that would fill me with panic, but it's something you're used to, I imagine.
Yeah, so it's fairly common, especially for a binding of this age. It's a high-profile item, so it's come to conservation so that we can repair this to hopefully reduce the risk of further damage in the future. Our aims obviously are to stabilise this. The main bit of conservation we would be doing would be to reattach this board.
Right.
The book is actually helping us with that because the leather on the front cover is lifting.
Right.
So my method for reattaching this would be to adhere a Japanese paper joint between the board and the spine. And for doing something like that, we'd use a lifting knife like this.
So the book will be in better shape generally, obviously,
yes.
after the exhibition.
Yes.
This University Library exhibition is so exciting. I have never, even all my years of crime reading and writing, seen so many crime novels together in one space.